Unboxing the GAN 356M Cube Station Card. It comes with accessories box, GAN bag, GAN GS nuts, and GAN pamphlet. The Cube has its own Cube box. Thanks to GAN Cube for making this unboxing possible. The Cube is very smooth and fast out of the box. It has visible yellow and clear magnets, black internals with clear core, honeycomb designs on pieces. Corner cuttings are great. Has frosted plastic that will fade eventually. Here are the sample solves. Check out the yellow basket too if you want to get yours.